Hello friends, today I am going to show you the beautiful nature. Today's nature is a peacock, our national bird. Peacock, how it surrounds our nature, how it beautifies, how it signifies that it has a beautiful, attractive personality among itself. If every person's life is filled with these beautiful colors, then we are not less than these peacocks. So let us see that how peacocks shows its complete feathers to us when it's totally happy with himself and with the nature and with the weather itself. So let's see and watch. There are two peacocks here being shown. One peacock went down, one is on the top of the roof here, one slided down here. Yeah, this shows the peacock showing its full feather. That goes the beautiful nature of peacock showing the full feather now. Let's see now. Here goes the beautiful peacock down. Here is the beautiful peacock showing its full feather. Let's watch. Here it goes down. Yeah, this is what the nature's beauty. This is the beautiful nature of peacock. This is what the peacock is famous for, its beautifulness. Thanks to the nature for beautiful scenery of peacock. It's very nice looking. Amazing. It's very nice. Very beautiful. Peacock has its own appearance and color and beautifulness. Peacock shows its feather in this way when it is a season of rainy season. It shows its complete feather, complete appearance only when it's a rainy season only or when it is going to rain. This is a symbol of telling the farmers that rain would appear. They come in the season of rainy season mostly in the open fields and they show their beautiful appearance to us. It also signifies that they are happy with the nature, they are happy with the weather, they are happy with themselves, they are happy with the people, and they are happy with the nature itself. This beautiful nature shows us how peacock lives, how peacock takes signifies the beautifulness of. This shows the surrounding. Yeah, it goes round and enjoys its featherness. So nice. This is the peacock, our national bird. It's beautiful. The coloring, the dimensions of one feather. If we take the dimension of one feather, it shows different dimensions. It shows all the mathematical dimensions in one particular feather. It is the wrapping of the feather now. It has closen up its feather. Now it goes to jump. Yes. See the length of the feather. It's so long. That's it for today.